welcome back to Be Beautiful. If you're new here, my name is Archana and I help you ease into the cruelty-free beauty world one step at a time. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, and also keep all your notifications on. There is a small bell icon next to the subscribe button. If you click on that and click on all notifications, you will be notified of all my future videos. So please take a moment to do that, and then let's get into this video. So in today's video, we are talking about the coconut clarifying micellar water from Wow Skin Science, and I'm also going to apply the Wow Skin Science aloe vera skin gel in this video. Before getting into the video, I just quickly wanted to introduce the By Wow app, which you can download from the Play Store on your phone. The micellar water and the aloe vera gel that I'm using in this video were sent to me by the brand for consideration, along with a few other products. The links to these products that I'm using today in this video are going to be down in the description box, along with the link to the By Wow app, which we are going to talk about shortly. So do check out the description box for these links. I really like the brand and the products that I've used so far. Wow products are not only 100% cruelty free and vegan, but they are also created with natural ingredients and are sourced from all over India. The water used in their products is apparently from the Himalayan streams. The products are also free of parabens, sulfates, mineral oils, additives and silicones, and I love the fact that 80% of their workforce consists of women. Not only that, they have also started creating their packages with 30% recycled packaging, so they've also started becoming environmentally conscious. So coming back to the app, it's very easy to shop on the app. Just go to the category you want to explore, choose a product and add it to the cart, and then simply check out from the cart after adding your shipping address. And now Wow has also started adding a QR code on the side of their packages, which you can scan with any QR scanner to check the authenticity of their products. You can also get points for every scan, and you can redeem them on your next purchase. Right now, as we speak, there is a special event called Wow Pro going on. Just sign up for Wow Pro and purchase Wow Skin Science products to get a chance to win fabulous prizes. This event ends on 31st July 2020, so make sure you hurry up and participate. So let's get started. Let me just get all the hair out of the way, and let's see if this micellar water is able to remove all the makeup. So let's just see how to use this. Saturate a cotton pad with micellar water, swipe it all over your face to remove makeup and grime. Repeat till no residual dirt or makeup is left. To remove eye makeup, press the pad on the eyelid and hold for a few seconds, then gently wipe down the makeup. So I'm following all the instructions like they have given. I normally tend to forget the instructions, but this time I am so thankful that I read it, because otherwise I would have just sprayed this on my face and wiped it with a cotton pad. But I will now spray this on a cotton pad and wipe my face gently with it, and also I will soak it a little bit for the eye makeup so that I'm able to take it off easily, because my mascara is waterproof and I want to see how it comes off with this micellar water. So this micellar water is for complete cleansing and makeup removal, and it is infused with coconut water, witch hazel, green tea and cucumber water. And this is a cruelty-free brand and 100% vegan brand as well. So I really like using their products, and I have really loved whatever products I have used of Wow Skin Science till now. So it is giving me a slight trouble on my mascara. It's a waterproof mascara, and also the lipstick is like there on the edges, because it's a very matte lipstick that I've used and it's a little difficult to remove it. I don't want to rub on my skin anymore or on my eyes. So I'm just going to use this castor oil from Wow Skin Science to remove the eye and lip makeup. I'm just going to apply it like this, and also on my eyelids. So this is normal for me. I usually have a problem in removing my eye makeup or lip makeup. I usually use oils only because my skin is pretty sensitive when it comes to using a cotton pad or tissues for removing makeup. And now it should be slightly easier for me to remove it. So I'm just going to take the micellar water again on the pad, and that's a lot better. So that is a lot better. If you're like me, use the oil for eye makeup slightly and lip makeup if it refuses to come. Don't rub your skin at all. But this cleared up pretty much everything else apart from the mascara and the edge of the lipstick. So I'm just going to take it one last time to remove and clean everything before applying the aloe vera gel. So there's no more mascara coming out. That means it's pretty clean. So the micellar water removed pretty much everything except the mascara. The lipstick still remains even after applying the oil. So this is the Smudge Me Not lipstick from Sugar, which like doesn't go off so easily. So it'll be harsh for me to say that this didn't work on the lipstick. It did, but only for the mascara. If you are like me and very sensitive to rubbing a wipe or a cotton pad on your face, use a little bit of oil and then use micellar water to remove the mascara because it's waterproof. If it wasn't a waterproof mascara, it would have come off easily. And now I will just apply this aloe vera gel. The skin does get irritated when you apply and remove makeup, so it's good to apply aloe vera gel or a soothing gel on your face to let it settle down a little bit. So this is not my nighttime skincare routine. The gel, I will just use it for some time. So this is for the days when I have some time before I go to bed. This is not my nighttime skincare routine. I just leave it on for some time and then I go on to do my skincare routine right before bedtime. And I will leave the aloe vera gel to do its magic for some time and let it soothe the skin down for some time. So that's it for today's video. This micellar water is really good. I really love the coconut fragrance that this has. It's really very soothing for me, but if you have a problem with fragrances and scents, you would want to first smell it before buying. So all in all, I really like this micellar water, and this does remove all of the makeup except for my waterproof mascara, because maybe that's just me. I don't think I can do without an oil for removing my makeup. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do give a thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and also please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon and keep all your notifications on. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.